Do you have drawers or boxes full of things you have saved from trips or special events? Things that don't fit well in a scrapbook? We have lots of these souvenir memories from our honeymoon trip to Italy years ago, and I want to display them so we can see them every day. Find a frame that will work for your space. If it has a mat like mine, remove the mat and use this for your souvenir grouping. Lay your frame or mat on a surface and start to arrange your souvenirs in a collage pattern that you like. Start by creating a background with a map, pattern paper, or a special document. Then start to layer the souvenirs and photos on top. And because we had lots of items, I decided to create 3 separate collages. Once you have a design that you like, take the open frame or mat and place it on the top of a copy machine. Then start to lay your souvenir pieces in the same design upside down on the copy machine. Press copy and see your memory collages emerge from the machine. Once you have your copies, trim around the image, leaving about an inch border. Center the image behind the mat and secure it in place with painter's tape. Slide the mat into the frame and then secure it in the frame with the tabs. Hang your collage on a wall where you will see it every day and enjoy the flood of memories that they bring. I hope this inspired you to gather up those special memories from your drawers and create a memory collage for your wall.